How to erase and reset iPhone to factory settings. Watch till the end for tips to keep your information protected.
Step 1.
First, you need to back up your data. You can do this either through the iCloud, a Mac, or a PC. The iCloud way is very simple. Click Settings, your name, then iCloud. Then click Backup to iCloud. Now make sure you sign out of iCloud.
Step 2.
Now to erase everything, just go to Settings, General, and erase all content. But wait! Here's some extra tips to keep you safe. Make sure you unpair all devices like iWatch and AirPods. Also make sure you remove devices from trusted devices. And don't forget, you can still erase everything even if you no longer have the phone, all through Find My iPhone. Now check out this video where I show you how to record your iPhone in HD.